Right now, this type of bunker time-lapse video is pulling millions of views, and you can easily create this type of video using just your mobile phone in only 2 simple steps. So if you're thinking about starting a channel in this niche, this video is for you. Because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make these types of videos using AI. And yeah, it's 100% free. First, head over to the Google Docs file, link is in the description, and copy this master prompt. Now go to ChatGPT and paste the prompt there. ChatGPT will instantly generate 1 image prompt and 14 video prompts. For your next video, just go back to the document and copy the extra command provided, paste it into ChatGPT again, and your next video prompts is ready to use. When it's complete, copy the first image prompt and go to Grok AI. Now you might ask, why am I using Grok? Because it's completely free, and using only this AI, you can easily create your images and your videos in one place. Now click on the arrow icon, select the 9:16 ratio, and paste the image prompt. Within a few seconds, it will generate multiple images. Pick one of them. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the first video prompt, and paste it into Grok. Grok will now generate the second image. Again, go back to ChatGPT, copy the second video prompt, and paste it on this previous image prompt. Repeat the same process until all 14 images are generated. When all your images are ready, go back and click on the video icon. Now Grok will convert your images into video clips. Click the arrow and download them. Finally, open any editing software and merge all the video clips together. And just like that, here is your final video. So if you learned this video something special, hit that like because this video aiming 30 like. I hope that you will get it done.